Take one. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put on your SUB2000 featureless kit, or subservient 2000. Your kit will come with a featureless stock, the grip fin, 4 screws, and an Allen key. All right, so the first step is safety. Make sure you have your safety glasses on. I can't see without these anyway, so that's a nice built-in feature. Make sure there's no ammunition in your workspace, there's no magazine, and there's no live ammunition in the chamber of the gun. The next step is to remove your stock. The next step is to remove your adjustable stock. To remove the stock, you have to remove the stock pin. You can do so by pushing down on the buffer and sliding the pin out. And that will relieve the tension on the spring. You can pull your buffer out and then your stock slides right off. Next, remove the charging handle. Now you can take the collar off, rotate it counterclockwise and slide it off. Next, we will remove the 4 grip screws, 2 here and 2 here. Bada boom, bada bang. Now that we've taken out the 4 short screws that come with the gun, slide your featureless grip fin up against the back of the grip and line up the holes. Install the 4 longer screws that come in your kit. We're not showing how this goes in. Super simple. All right, we have the featureless grip fin installed on the gun. Next step is to take your collar, slide the collar back on, and then go ahead and rotate it back into place. Now you want to reinstall your charging handle, but first you want to make sure that the recoil spring is not covering the hole. Push it in, slide it forward. Now install the featureless stock. Line up the holes, and then you want to take your buffer and push down on it so that all 4 holes line up. Then take your stock pin and go ahead and push it through. That's how you install the SUB2000 featureless kit. Thanks for watching, and for more tech tips, visit keltechweapons.com.